Hello everyone, myself Swaran Kedkar. Today we'll start with session 3. Session 3 is on volleyball. We'll learn about the history of volleyball, the rules and regulations of volleyball, and the basic fundamentals of volleyball.
History of volleyball. William G. Morgan invented the game volleyball. In the winter of 1895 in Holyoke, Massachusetts, United States of America, a YMCA physical education teacher created a game called Mintonity, a name derived from the game badminton, as a pastime to be played indoors and by any number of players. The game took some of its characteristics from other sports such as tennis and handball. Another indoor sports, basketball, was catching on in the area, having been invented just 10 miles away in the city of Springfield, Massachusetts, only 4 years before. Mintonity was designed to be an indoor sport less rough than basketball for older members of the YMCA while still requiring a bit of athletic effort. The first rule, written by William G. Morgan, called for a net 6 feet 6 inches high and 25 into 50 feet court and any number of players. A match was composed of 9 innings with the 3 serves for each team in the each inning and no limit to the number of ball contacts for each team before sending the ball to the opponent's court. In case of serving error, a second try was allowed. Hitting the ball into the net was considered a foul, except in the case of first try service. Dimensions of volleyball court. A volleyball court is 9 meter in breadth and 18 meter in length, divided into equal square halves by a net with a width of 1 meter. From the center line at a distance of 3 meter, there is a line called attack line on both the sides. The 3 meter line divides the court into back row and front row. The attack line is further extended outside the court is called extension line. The top of the net is 2.43 meter above the center of the court for men's competition and 2.24 meter for women's competition, varied for veterans and junior competitions. The minimum height clearance for indoor volleyball court is 7 meter, although a clearance of 8 meter is recommended. Position and rotation in volleyball. The volleyball court is divided into two parts, front zone and back zone. This is the position where player has to stand. Position 1, service zone. This is the position from where the player has to serve. Position 2, back counter position. Generally, this position is used for attacking. Position 3, this position player stand near the net. Generally, on this position, setter lifter stand. Position 4, front counter position. This is also the position from where attack is done. Position 5, this position comes in back zone. This is behind front counter position. Position 6, this position come under the back zone. This is behind center position. Rotation in volleyball. There are two types of rotation in volleyball. That is 5:1 and 4:2, where 5 are attacker and 1 is setter. And in 4:2, where 4 are attacker and 2 are setters. Types of players position in volleyball. Volleyball team comprises of 12 players in a team, out of which 6 are playing, 1 is libero and 5 are substitutes. The 12 players are categorized as follows. 2 are setters, 4 attackers, 4 center blockers, 1 universal and 1 libero. Rules and regulations in volleyball. In volleyball, only 3 touches are allowed to a team to pass the ball in the opponent's court. Sets are played in best of 5, in which one team have to win 3 sets out of 5 to win the match, or best of 3, out of which a team has to win 2 sets to win the match. Each set comprises of 25 points, but in case of tie in best of 5, the deciding set is played of 15 points. Referees in volleyball. There are 2 referees in volleyball. The first one is called the main referee and the second one is called second referee. There are 2 scorers in volleyball. The first one is main scorer and the second one is assistant scorer. There are 4 linemen required in volleyball. 2 for horizontal line and 2 for vertical line. The main purpose of the lineman is to give the judgment whenever the referee could not see the ball, whether it is inside the court or outside the court.
Now we'll learn about a skill in volleyball, that is underhand pass. The position for underhand pass will be first left leg forward, then right leg backward, then your right hand forward, the thumb in this position, and then cover it with your left hand, and this is the position of underhand. Now bend your knees, and whenever you have to hit the ball, you have to hit in this position. We'll learn about upper hand. For upper hand, again left leg forward, right leg backward, your both thumbs near your forehead, open your all fingers, and your finger shape should be in semicircle. And whenever you hit the ball, bend your knees, bring your wrist behind and hit the ball. This is the position of upper hand. I'll show you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for our latest content.